Happy Camping Friday.
Heck yeah.
We are out. It is Labor Day weekend for us. You'll be watching it after Labor Day. But we found an amazing spot next to a river.
Creek River.
Muddy
River.
And it is going to be hot this weekend.
Yeah.
So
we made a point to find a campsite right on a creek or river, and we've done that. We're going to be here for a couple days, probably only do one video of night or something like that, and then next video will be on to the next.
Yes, we're going to go try to find a different campsite a couple days from now.
Yeah.
So we're going to hang out here, relax, enjoy some creek time.
Yep.
I've got an awesome menu lined up for the next few days.
Yeah, you got an awesome cold too that you got from the
Yes.
plane trip from Colorado.
Yeah, I'm not feeling the best, so I'm gonna help unload and then go take a little nap. So. But that's okay. A little nature and a little fresh air can do me some good. So.
Heck yeah.
All right, let's get unpacked and set up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, we're in the tent again. So a couple more weeks out of the Gray Ghost Adventure Overland trailer. A couple more weeks. But set up. Looking good. Feeling good.
Comfortable.
All right. I'm going to go check out the river. Okay. There is a little tiny site right here. I think this is the Cispus. That's cool. Not bad. Alright, back up towards the road where we came in at. Hey! Oh man, it's probably like upper 30s, I swear to God.
Oh, it has to be. It's like the coldest water I've ever felt. I mean, it's a quick cool down on your feet.
Oh man, quick numb down.
Right? It's like that burning sensation that, like, I would imagine that's what frostbite would feel like.
Yeah. Okay. That's what you're supposed to do, idiots. That's what you're supposed to do. You know what time it is?
New product alert time?
New product alert time.
Okay, so we have seen this on other YouTubers' videos, overlanding videos, and
shout out Talon.
Yeah, we saw it on Talon's Eye. He does stuff and things. If you've never heard of it, go check it out. Pretty cool YouTube channel.
All of his products.
Yeah, and he has like a ton of different brands that he works with. And so anyways, he had this rinse kit and we saw it and we're like, oh, that's super cool. And we actually ended up seeing it at Costco of all places. And so it was like almost half the price of what it is online. So we ended up picking it up at Costco. And if you've heard us talk before, we are starting to work on Brian's Toyota Tacoma truck and getting that all kitted out because now that the 4Runner has the trailer, we've kind of done what we've wanted to, mostly with the 4Runner. So we're trying to start picking up some stuff for the Tacoma for camping trips that will be maybe a little bit shorter or roads that are a little more tight. So we're going to start working on that here in the next few months. But we thought this would be a great addition because the trailer does have a shower system. So we won't really need anything for the trailer. So we ended up getting this awesome rinse kit. Alright, everything you need for the rinse kit is in here. So you unscrew this and you fill it up with water in here. It is battery powered and it has and it's chargeable and it's got the charging port here. Yeah, but all you do is just hit the button. We're just gonna do a little rinse off of our feet.
Damn, son.
Jet, man, I don't want that. So it does have different settings. So obviously that was jet. It's got the shower, mist, center spray, flat. So we're gonna shower. Oh yeah, that's so much warmer than the creek. The water does stay pretty warm and it's hot outside obviously, but you can fill it up with warm water so it'll just hold. But we use this after our little bit dusty hot hike that we did and it felt so amazing to be like refreshed after a hike. It is pretty heavy, but it's nice that it just stores in like the back seat and you take it out and yeah, rinse off. Pretty easy.
I'm selling my feet. I know they're awesome.
Got our lights set up, got our mat out.
Little map.
Next up, we gotta get dinner stuff.
Get the skottle out.
Skottle cooking.
Yeah.
Skottle.
Yep.
Yeah. Chainsaw stand.
Hi.
Hey. All right, we are going to get dinner started. Tonight we are having beef marinated stir fry. So we got this from Matt's Meats, which is our local butcher in town, which is the best. So it's marinated steak with peppers and onions. And we've got some pot stickers here that we're gonna cook up, and I made some rice already. So we're just gonna put this on the skottle once the meat is done cooking, get it all warmed back up, and we're gonna be eating good. We got the awesome Tembo Test skottle. If you haven't watched the previous videos, go back and check them out, or our short too, that is like a montage to our skottle cooking. Love this thing, it has been so great. We've even cooked on it at home. So we're gonna fry up the beef in here and then the rice after. So we'll get it turned on in a few minutes and get it cooked up. Meat pillows. All right, time to serve up some amazing beef teriyaki and rice. And get some of these tasty meat pillows. All right, dinner is served.
crazy story. We heard this snap off. I don't know if you can see it. That tree snap off. We heard it. Right there.
Yeah, we were just like hanging out in our campground and we're like, or our campsite.
Oh my.
And we're like, what the heck was that?
Well, we did find another
Yeah.
kind of campsite right next
Off
to
the road though.
two roads. That's it for tonight.
It for night 1 of camping.
So relaxing.
I know. My cold medicine
Everything.
stopped working. So I gotta take more. So it's time to go pass
She's
out.
She's out.
Yes.
We out. See you in the morning.
All right.
Morning.
Good morning.
We're live.
Yeah, so we had a great night of sleep. We slept so long.
Yeah.
I think we needed it.
The mattresses were a little hard because my back is hurting today. Ugh, I missed the rooftop tent.
Oh. But we've got coffee going and we got an awesome fun breakfast this morning. We are making pancake tacos. So I already made the pancakes at home.
See.
So we're gonna fill them with like scrambled eggs, sausage, and then I've got like peanut butter, chocolate chips. So we're just gonna try out a couple fun different variations and
Heck yeah.
yeah. All right, I think the coffee's done and I need some like now.
Yep, look at it.
Look at this.
It's gonna blow. We got one that has scrambled eggs in it and thin cuts of sausage patties, and then we have another with just peanut butter and chocolate chips. Oh, this is gonna be amazing.
Oh my gosh, so good. So messy though. We added syrup.
Yeah, we put some maple syrup. Mm-hmm. That's it.
All right, all packed up.
That's it.
Awesome day of camping. 24 hours.
Yeah, nice and relaxing.
Camping on the BDR in Washington, Mount Adams,
Yep.
Labor Day weekend.
Creek and a river
Yeah,
and
it's beautiful. Blue
sky.
sky.
Heck yeah.
Whew, all right. Well, on to the next.
Yeah, you know us, we can't
We
stay
can't sit still.
We can't sit still. So I'll have to find another campsite. So
All right.
tune in next week.
Thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm about to lick the Play-Doh so good, man. Oh my. Oh my dear God, I can't even feel my toes 30 seconds in. I feel like I just freaking was a passenger on the Titanic. Too soon? Stay.
No. Oh man.
What'd you do?
You made me lose my concentration.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool.